So we have here the 1927 signal box, and it was decommissioned in 1983, I believe, into 84. Around the time they were bringing in the Dart and doing the trial runs of the Dart. So the footbridge replaced DSE, or Dublin South Eastern Railway footbridge. That was taken down 10 years ago, and I think that footbridge would have gone back to the 1920s, or maybe it was Great Southern Railway. I'm not too sure. I think it might have been one or the other anyway. So actually, it probably was a Great Southern Railway, wasn't it? Because the cabinet is a Great Southern Railway, so the bridge must have been a Great Southern Railway. Okay, that clears that up. And before graffiti gets everywhere, doesn't it? Just beyond those graffiti containers where the siding was, called the Martello siding, there was an inspection pit there, and that was removed there in the 80s as well. So a lot got swept away during the Dart construction works. And on the left, where the pig sidings or the cattle sidings or whatever livestock that used to come in, I think that was discontinued in the 1960s, but it's now a car park again that got swept away in the 1980s. And there was actually a third track. See, notice why you have three tracks here, the way they fan out. They have the three tracks that came from the original coastal railway in 1915, because when you go over the railway line, go over the Darger Bridge, there's actually a section that they took away where there was a third track. So it would have been three tracks coming in from the cliffs, and Shanganagh Junction would have there would have been two tracks coming down from there, and then a track coming down on the coastal railway, so which I've talked about before. So just a quick video on the sidings, just to follow up on what I did on my previous video around the car park here in Bray Station. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, Station. Thank you very much.